Good morning everyone, what's up? This video is or feels different. USKSg is meeting here. Let's go find them. We're here at the Muslim quarters in Singapore. This is the month of Ramadan and it ends on the 2nd of May in 2022 this year. Wishing everyone a Ramadan Kareem. There's Masjid Sultan right there. We're heading towards it. I'm looking for a spot to paint, also looking forward to meeting everyone here today. So guys and girls, I hope you're excited. Okay, so for those of you who have seen my earlier videos, the last time we were here, we were able to go to the roof of Masjid Sultan or the Sultan Mosque. That was a privilege. We were able to see the aerial surrounds. Now we're here and I think this is a really good spot to capture that right now with that red building next to it. So I'm gonna set up and get this going. For those of you who missed those videos, you see the links pop up like that one over there. Every now and then, go check it out so that you'll know where to find the best eats or where to find the best locations to sketch around this Muslim quarters here in Singapore. Okay, mask on. I'm meeting people now, so it's just being courteous. Finally found Alphonsus. He's over here at this corner. Look at him. Okay, go. He's checking the angle. This is a great angle, by the way, with the old Zamzam. Used to be yellow, this building, now it's pink, red. Yeah, with the mosque back there. Really interesting shapes. And let's check out his stuff. So he's decided to use this riser, dry riser, as a table. Look at that. Wow. Oh, cool. Please continue. Yeah. Everything okay?
Yeah, okay.
Enjoying the mask off?
Super.
Yeah, okay, see you. Okay, next person here is Songlin. Hi Songlin. Oh wow, look at that. It's like a postcard. Wow, look at that. And your colors, you're only using 5.
Yeah.
Such a limited. That's yellow ochre, magenta, some sort of magenta.
I think it's like a sienna or something.
Sienna, ultramarine blue, and Prussian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's an urban sketching module in my university, and then a couple of the urban sketching people came to teach us UTD.
SUTD, that's
Yeah.
right. Okay, wow. Are you doing architecture?
Yeah, architecture.
No wonder. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, it's time to get cracking. Here we go. Hi Vincent. Ooh, I wanna film. Yeah. Oh, everything good with you?
Very good.
Yeah. Are you enjoying the no mask?
Yes, a lot.
Right. Enjoy your sketch.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yes. This is chocolate, right? From Rich and Good.
It's just down the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Off Doodles, right?
Yes, that's right.
I remember Instagram.
Yes. Thank you. Oh, wow, look at that.
I'm going to the Throwdown.
Senelier.
Aqua Mini.
Aqua Mini.
This brush, no. The one that comes over here is meaningless. Can I get some tips from you?
Sure. Okay, so I think the most important thing here is the dome. And for the dome, it is a complete sphere, right? So with the sphere, there's always a light side and a dark side because of the position of the sun. So if you look at the dome right now, you can see where the dark side is, right? It's at the bottom because the top is lit. If you can put that down, it will curve or it will make the dome a lot more three-dimensional.
Why don't you do that?
Ah! You sure?
Of course.
Okay, where do I mix colors?
You can mix it here if you're okay.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let's try this. This is... I'm gonna add that and that. Oh, okay. Where's your dabbing cloth? Thank you. And just a tad bit on the edge to round it up. And bam.
Awesome.
Yeah, and then of course you can, there's a bright hot spot here, so you can layer this with some yellow and then leave that hot spot like white, paper white, to let it shine.
Awesome.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, are you gonna add color or that's it?
No, I didn't bring any, so I think I'll
Okay.
just do a line drawing.
Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah. Oh, okay, first outing, fantastic. Welcome to the group.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow, you look like you have a lot of experience. Whoa.
It's my first outing.
Mr. Jeffrey Ang. Wow.
I'm basically a graphic designer by training.
Okay, me too. Back then.
Yeah, back then.
Back then, yes.
I watch your YouTube videos though. So
Okay, cool. Oh, so this is Saint Bing.
hi.
Hi, it's been a while. First question, most important question. How do you feel with the mask off? Shook, right? Yeah, okay. So, wow, look at that. That's really good. Well done. This is from Kandahar Street. Is it pure watercolor? Did you draw with a pencil first?
Yes.
Okay.
The pencil and outline, then after that, just use the watercolors.
Great choice of colors. You use pinks for the buildings, the darker tones of the buildings. That's really good.
It stands up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Can we see your beautiful sketches? Wow, you have gold.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, hi.
Eh. Tutto bene.
So,
Wow. Rice paper. Wow. Look at that. So many.
oh, these are previous ones.
Oh yeah. And then the rest are in your bag, right? What you did this
No.
morning. Yeah. Yeah. Can roll up, take up less space. Yeah. Well
No
done.
more. Yes. Most of it you. Oh, great. We can tell.
was nothing too bad.
I don't know. We have to cross-check with you.
So bad. Sorry.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Yeah. Good.
Right.
Pat told me that everyone's on the street. Let's see if everyone's on this main parade. Let's see if we have friends here sketching. Hello. Did you all see anyone else sketching?
Yeah,
Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh. There we go. Fantastic. Everyone's here. Hi, how are you? First question.
Yes.
How are you enjoying this mask off situation? Yeah.
Amazing.
You can breathe.
Yes.
Yes.
Fresh air.
And where's your stuff?
Oh yeah. I mean, I was sitting over there.
Is it? Yo.
Hey, hello.
Oh.
Hey, Alvin.
Yes, Shirley.
You know, we
Hey.
were talking about you, like, hey, how come you never see Alvin?
Hey, I'm on the other side. Whoa, look at his line art. Mr. Ben. Yeah. Oh yeah. What do you use for your piece?
Use watercolor.
Yeah.
Combination of things and
Do you use pencil first to mark down the points, or do
Yeah,
you just
yeah.
whack?
I usually do a pencil outline of what I'm planning to draw,
Okay.
and then I use
first layer,
Okay.
and then add on more layers of details and color to accentuate the darkness and the light.
Well done. That was a whole demo in that short 30-second thing. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah, no problem.
Ooh. Is this your first time?
First time is a long time.
Awesome. Let's check out yours. Thank you. Hi, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Have you been joining them whenever?
Yeah,
Colors are very vibrant.
thank you.
Yeah, this one really pops out.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, okay. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is Heng's watercolor. You use pen? Do you use pencil before or just pen and then watercolor?
Pencil to lay out. Then pen.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Why do you have your mask on? Heng?
I think it's habitual. Really.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. And look at our penmanship. This is from Steph Creates. Thank you. So yeah, just can we see what you've done?
Yeah, sure.
Oh wow. That's pencil on, yeah. Dark paper. Nice. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, very much.
Okay, that's good. This is your first time, right? Okay, we'll see you at the meeting point. Yeah, bye-bye. Okay, so pencil and watercolor, that looks really good. It looks like you've had experience before.
Yes.
Okay, so you learned art before, or do you teach art or something?
Yeah, I learned art before.
Okay.
But this is the first time I'm trying to this crew.
Okay,
Yeah. Nice
Okay.
to meet you too.
nice to meet you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. I bet this place is gonna look really different at night with all the lights. So let's do that. So, hi everyone, the scene behind me is a site for Sore Eyes. It's been over 2 years, 2.5 years. It's just so good to see everyone back out here again. There's no limit to group meetings. This is just amazing, refreshing, and 100% yummy. How is your group doing over where you are? If you have an urban sketching group near you, are you all meeting? Are you all hanging out to sketch like this? Wow! I painted a pink house too. Wow, wow. So how was that, folks? I'm chilling here at my Bai Sabat tea shop before heading back to edit this. So if you enjoy what I put out, just leave a little comment or a little heart to tell me so. Cool, that's it.